Yo, what's up, Stays? What's up, J Scott? Welcome back to another reaction video. We heard Stray Kids made a comeback yesterday, so we're gonna react to this music video. If you guys are excited, then make sure to smash that subscribe button, like the video, comment something you'd love to see on the channel. We have a Patreon. And let's just get right into the video, guys.
Oh, can't wait, man. Felix Dem, Chang Bin,
Bang Chan.
Anime. Okay. Chang Bin.
Chang Bin.
Oh, let's talk about this drip though. Alright, damn.
Like, I've never imagined all red like this, bro.
What was
It was written in Korean.
Korean.
So I don't know. More love in the... Thank God the facilities for that big man.
Damn! How did it get
The thing about Stray Kids here, when it comes to
transition?
transition,
Yeah.
Wait, there was a transition there.
Yeah,
Wait,
dude, it was only 1 year. Then when it landed, to the
That's
kids,
the one.
all of them.
Like, bro, I was talking and didn't notice, bro. Oh, that was another transition. Oh!
I wonder how long like it takes them to shoot.
To make like the camera they want to
Yeah,
it has to be in
it has
one
to be in the
place.
same place.
But anime lovers will love this video, I guess.
Yeah.
With the way the it felt like bosses.
I'm not sorry, I'm dirty. Damn.
I'm kind of imagining how the performance
Of this song,
Yeah. It might be like Victory song. Or maybe even
like,
better.
like this feature song, yeah, it was just one time we watched it and
Yeah, exactly.
here, bro, like
That
you know it's
performance
different.
is
Like before, if
crazy.
you watch like three performances of a particular song, then you start liking it.
Mm.
But that feature song was just
We only reacted to the
one time.
performance once, and I liked it immediately, man.
Whoa! Wait!
Yo!
Oh!
Felix.
Oh!
Sorry.
This is mad, man.
Wait, guys, I'm sorry.
The vocals in this thing.
Wait, this settings, like, is it green screen or something, or did they drive these modern cars to like all these Korean villages or something?
But we've seen something like this in, what is it called? Like in Ron BTS and stuff. Like
That they
where
drove cars.
their houses
But
are like
did they
this.
drive car?
I'm not talking about the house. I'm talking about driving modern cars to like in front of this.
Yeah, why can't they?
Oh,
the love.
Oh!
I like how we are spelling twet.
Oh. Damn, they all wear Nike shoe. Same color stuff.
What? They all look so good, bro.
Man, Stray Kids,
Wait,
right?
guys, what's the visuals for them, though?
Yeah, like it's so hard to select one. Okay,
I love to
I'll-
watch the behind the scenes of this music video.
yeah, and I found my favorite part of this, my favorite lyrics of the
Is
song.
it bum, ba-dum,
Bum,
bum,
bum. What the vocals, man? Vocalist. Damn. Wow, this is what's the title of the song?
I think ba-ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, bum.
Bum, bum, bum.
Cause that's what I hate most in there.
I mean, that's the problem with songs like this or videos like this. When the video is too good, you just
Yeah, that's true. They even really pay, apart from I'm sorry, I'm not sorry, I'm dirty.
yeah.
Yeah,
Because the video was just too good.
12 million
Like,
views. Wow.
Like,
see
too
the what's it called the what's it called?
Transition.
No, yeah, the transition is there too.
Yeah.
Then the contrast, the way like it's
The-
I don't know
the
the feeling,
presets,
it's
yeah.
feeling so kind of tush, bro. Like I don't know
Yeah,
how to
tush.
explain it.
Yeah, I'll get. I'll just understand, man.
And
Anyways, guys, I'm giving this song like with the video, everything in 9.
yeah.
Yeah.
I'll give you like the video itself is like 11, and the song, cause you understand, like 8.
Yeah. You don't even know the title.
Yeah.
I mean, they say something like crooked, something I'm dirty.
I'm dirty. I'm
not
sorry. I'm not
clean.
sorry. I'm dirty.
Mhm.
Yeah.
If you give it to me, I'll give it to you back. Not that kind of.
Okay.
Until I'm satisfied. That's what he
Ah.
said. That's what they
Wait, I
said.
didn't even read that though.
Anyways, guys, before you get it out of control, this much subscribe.
Subscribe.
Please, guys, if you don't smash the subscribe, please. I beg you. in the
Till we
name
see you next time, guys. Peace.